How to access the Instagram Map feature. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar. This will open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, make sure to allow it. Next, the app will ask who can see your location, and you will be given 4 options: friends, close friends, only these friends, and no one. If you choose friends, all your Instagram friends will be able to see your location. If you choose close friends, only the people you have added to your close friends list can see it. If you choose only these friends, you can manually select specific people to share your location with. After choosing your preferred option, tap on Share Location. A request will then be sent to the friends you have selected. Once they receive it, they can tap on Share Back from their notifications and confirm to share their own location with you. After that, both of you can share your locations and see where each other are on the map. To stop sharing your location, tap the settings icon at the top right corner and choose No One. You can also turn off location sharing for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. You can zoom in or out on the map using your fingers to explore more areas. Each dot represents public post tagged with that location. Simply tap on any dot to view photos, reels, or stories posted from that spot. Now you know how to access the Instagram Map feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.